Hello, guys. So I hope all of you are doing well, and you started your publishing your report to your Power BI services account, and you have gone through what we have discussed in the first part of this module. Great. So if you remember, we have discussed about the Power BI services, how we published the report, and how we reached here, and we have gone through the parts of the publishing report into Power BI services on this browser. So that time we have seen how to export the data into PowerPoint and how to export the data into PDF. If you remember, we tried to export it in analyze in Excel as well, but it asked us to download and install something. So I have completed the installation part. So I'll show you this demonstration first, and then we'll move forward. So as soon as I click on analyze in Excel, okay, it will start downloading the Excel file for me, the ODC file. Why this? This must be the file, the sales analysis file, the Excel file. It will give you the pivot table. You can download the same onto your own machines as well. I think I have already downloaded it. So it will give me a pivot table like this. I hope you are aware of pivot table, what exactly a pivot table in Excel and how you use it, and it helps a lot. How it makes analysis very simple. So now you can go ahead and do analysis as per your requirement. I want to say revenue by year 2002. So I'll put it here. I want to see it maybe by manufacturer wise, and specifically for a product category of not category hierarchy. I want to see it by a particular category wise. So I'll put category here. Great. So in this way we can get it. If you don't want the hierarchy, you can remove it. Get it done by your manufacturers only for a particular year 2002. You can put the targets, what exactly the targets are, and where they are right now. So you can compare accordingly, and you can do the reports. Right. It makes it very simple for you, for your stakeholders also to get the created report and analyze that report using the pivot table. A good feature of Microsoft, a very excellent feature of Microsoft. You can use it and get benefit out of it. Great. This way we can continue, and we can get the reports into we can get the report. We can export the report into Excel part, and we can start analyzing the report into Excel. Great. So what next? We have already learned about the three options of exporting the report into PowerPoint, PDF, and now we have done about the Excel as well. If you remember yesterday, I have already told you you can just how you can share the report to your stakeholders from the share button and move ahead. And how we can edit the report. Yesterday we have already talked about that. So let's move ahead. What are the options available in this file menu option? Let's talk about them as well, and then we'll move forward for a very important points. So in the file option, you can download the PBIX file for this servicing report. What is this PBIX file? This PBIX file means your Power BI desktop file for this particular report, which has been published. You want to download the Power BI desktop file. So you can go ahead and download it from here. If you miss any copy of your file, or if you want to download any file, if you want to download this file, you can go ahead and download it from here. Okay, you can print the report. You can generate a QR code so that anyone accessing your report, you need to ask them to go through the QR code. So you can generate a QR code for your report from here. Great. Now, apart from that, let's go back to our workspaces. So if I click on my workspaces option, I'll go back to my workspace. A beautiful feature I want to talk about first of all here is when we publish the report onto the cloud, are, as I told you, three parts of the whatever you are doing, three parts will be published into your workspaces. The first one is your data set, the second one is your report, and the third one is the dashboard if you create a dashboard out of your report. Okay, we'll talk about the dashboard in some time. But before I start moving to the dashboard, I want some insights. I want a help of Power BI. I want to ask Microsoft to help me inside that, and create a kind of give me insights that how my data is looking like, and what kind of dashboard I should create for my data. Okay, so maybe the session is bad. Yeah, that's fine now. So let's do it in practical way. What I'm talking about. If you remember, we have already imported this report here, the sales analysis report, and this is the data set for our report. This is the file. This is the PBIX file. And this is our data set, which we have published here onto the cloud, and we have the sales analysis database. As soon as you click on this three dot ellipsis button, okay, once again click on that, you will find this option of get quick insights. Get quick insights. Let's click on that, and you will understand in a more practical way. Okay, let me just tell you an idea before I more go practical way is what I am asking Power BI, what I am asking Microsoft to apply some machine learning algorithm onto my data set to give me the quick insights how my data is how my data is looking like, what are exactly the uh, points you think about the data. Give me the quick insight so I can go ahead and start applying my Power BI skills, and I start creating my dashboards. So let's click on that, get quick insights. As soon as I do that, it will definitely take some time searching for the insights. You can see here, it started searching for the insights. What it is doing in background, let me give you a brief introduction. What it is doing in the background, it is running the machine learning algorithms on your data. Okay, certain machine learning algorithms which fits to our category, they will be applied on that. So now it's done. Once done, it will be notified. You can see here the notification has been given by Microsoft. The insights are ready. You can click here as well, view insights, or you can close it anytime later on. You can go onto your database once again, on the data set once again, sorry. Click on the ellipsis button once again, and this time you will find the option of view insights. Great. So click on this option. As soon as you do it, it will open up this new wizard, new page for you. Okay, where you can see it, what it has done. It has created a beautiful charts for my report, which is showing me the data, what Microsoft has run algorithms on my data, and they have given me that this is how your data is looking like, and this is uh, what you may be interested in for the analysis purpose. This is it will run some correlation algorithm. It will for each and every insights they have created a visual, and on the right hand side of that visual, the description also have been given. You can see here for the first one, units and core revenue. There is a correlation between units and revenue, and how much correlation between the units and revenue, it will display it to you from here. You can go ahead, and as you go ahead in your normal charts, you can go ahead here as well and start searching what Microsoft has done. Okay, let's say maybe you are interested into this visual. I'm very interested into the count of city by region. I'm very interested in that, or maybe I'm very interested in my as per my company requirement, target by category. Great, I'm very interested in this visual. I found it very useful, and I'm very interested in that. So what you will do for that? What you can do is, first of all, you can click on this. It will open up in a focus mode. You can have a better look on that. You can go ahead and applying filters if you want, or whatever you want, and then you can start analyzing the data in that way. Or you can go ahead and go more deeper. Okay, and now if you feel that everything is absolutely fine, what you can do is you can click on this button of pin visual. Pin visual means we'll pin this button onto your existing dashboard, or we'll create a new dashboard. Let's click on this pin visual. So it is asking me on which dashboard you want to pin it. You want to pin it on an existing dashboard or a new dashboard. I want to say I want to pin on an existing dashboard. We'll use the already created dashboard of sales analysis, and later on definitely we'll make changes accordingly what we want. I'll pin it on existing dashboard of sales analysis and just pin it. So done. Now if you go to your dashboard, as you do by other visual, same thing you can do it with this chart as well. You can hover it from here and there. You can move and adjust the size. You can move it from here to there. Whatever you do from all the other visuals, other tiles, you can do the same thing with this one as well. The wonderful feature given by Microsoft, a very helpful feature, which give me a clear idea, which gives me a very clear idea how my what kind of analysis I need to make, what kind of if you are not getting the clear picture from your client, from your stakeholders, you can go ahead and get a clear help of Microsoft, and start creating the reports, start creating the dashboards. Okay. So now if I double click on this, just a moment. On not on this because it has come from the insights, so it will not allow me to go here and click on that. That's fine. Let's go back to our where we were. So we are back to our insights. One more important point which I want to tell you here is why I came back here is, let's say for example I'm interested in this chart as well, maybe revenue by year 2002. Right. I am interested in this year revenue by year 2002. If I click on this once again, it will open up this in a focus mode. Now we are into the focus mode with this chart. I'm very interested in this chart and this visual. Now what I want to do, I want to drill down more deeper level onto this visual. I want to get more insights. I want to take Microsoft. I want to ask Microsoft to go more deeper on this particular visual. What I can do here is I can click on get insights once again on this particular chart. I can click on get insights. As soon as I do that, Microsoft will start doing more analysis deeper level on this chart. Okay. So it has been done, and you can see down below we are getting some more quick insights about this particular chart. What exactly is happening on this chart? For it's all about revenue by year 2002. It has filtered all the other visuals by this for this year 2002. The filter which is applied on this particular chart. All the other visuals which you are getting in your insights, they have been filtered down by year 2002. Right. So now, if you feel any more interesting from here as well, let's say I am interested into this revenue by year 2002 category wise by manufacturer, by particular manufacturer, or maybe by particular segment. I am interested for revenue by year 2002 by segment. So what I'll do is once again I'll open it. I'll put it in a focus mode. Yes, I am happy with this. Great, everything is looking absolutely fine. Go ahead. Don't hesitate to pin visual. Pin the visual. Go to existing dashboard. Pin it. Done. Now go to your dashboard. You will once again find it same way as we have created before. Beautiful and absolutely looking helpful. What the way I want. Great. So this is a very beautiful feature given by Power BI or Microsoft to help you making the thing so simple for you, so that you can, once you just understood the point how to go ahead and do it, it will be very helpful for you. So if anyone has any confusion, let me tell you how I have done this once again in a short summary. Go to workspaces, go to your my workspace, go to your data set where your data set has been published. Click on this three dot ellipsis button. Click on the option of view insights. Okay, what is happening in background? Microsoft is running machine learning algorithms, regression analysis, correlation analysis, and all the other deeper analysis on your data set, and it will give you the insights that how your data should look like, how your dashboard should look like. Okay, and you can go ahead and pin you can use that visual and put that into your existing dashboard or create a new dashboard as per your requirement. Superb. So now let's move to our dashboard. If I go to this already created dashboard here, sales analysis, I go here, not this one. We have two dashboard, I think, from sales analysis. Yeah, this one. So that is my purposeful dashboard. So let's talk about this dashboard in a detail now, because that's our main purpose is we need to create this dashboard in a very beautiful way and arrange the tiles. That what is the meaning of this word tile? I use it again and again. So the meaning of this word tile is we call them in a particular dashboard, the visuals which you are pinning here into the dashboard, we call them as a tile. Okay, you can adjust them as per your requirements, as we adjust the tiles as per in our homes on the floor of your home. So similarly, you can adjust the tiles here as well in the space wherever you want to adjust them, wherever you want to put them. It's up to you. Great. So now what I want is I want to put a widgets onto my dashboard. So how to put some widgets onto the dashboard? Let me tell you. So you can go ahead and put on the edit mode. You can see here, add a tile. You can see the option of add a tile. What do I mean from that? I want to add a tile directly from here. So what do I mean from that? As soon as I do it, let me tell you once again how I came here. Some people get confused. What is the meaning of this? What do I want? I'm adding these tiles from my already created reports that we have already seen. Okay, but directly I want to add some description here onto my dashboard. I want to add some maybe some links, maybe some videos, maybe some images, whatever I want onto this already created dashboard. So for that, what you will need to do is you go to the edit button onto your dashboard, go to the edit button and click on add a tile. Add a tile. As soon as I do it, it will give me the options what you want to add. You want to add a web content, a image, a video, or a text box. I'm interested for a text box right now. As soon as I click on a text box, hit on next button, it will ask me uh, display title and subtitle. Yes, I want to add a title for my. That's what my purpose is. I want to add a title for my dashboard. My title of the dashboard is sales analysis. Okay, and my subtitle is this dashboard gives analysis for sales and revenue categorized by manufacturer and it's up to you how you want to fit it as per your company standards. Make sure that you put a good description so that your people can understand in an easier way. As soon as you select the uh, uh, as soon as you select the text, you can find this option of as well to increase the size, what the size of your text should be. So you can go ahead and fit accordingly. Okay, you can use the font style as well, make it bold or italic, or if you want to put an underline, how you want to place it on the center, on the left hand side, right hand side. Alignment options are always there. Beautiful things by Microsoft, and this is the option of link. So you want to put any link here. So I just want to put a link for my report itself. So I'll put app.powerbi.com as a very simple way so that whenever I came here, I can open it. It will make it more easier for me. Okay. So any more external URL, any link type or something like that, you can go ahead and use them. Very simple, simple options. So you do it yourself. I'm happy with this right now. I'll click on apply, add it to the dashboard. Let's see where it is. So if we go here down below, you can find this. Now what I can do is I want to place this on the top. So I'll take it above. Okay. And I'll first of all I'll resize it because I don't want it in such a big size and put it here on the top. And I don't want to see it in such a big way. I want to adjust it in a small way, and I want to put it somewhere here on the left hand side. Just to it will adjust according. Now we cannot shrink more because as per the content, it is adjusting the size, or you can make it something like that. So it will make it much better looking. Drag it from here to here. Okay, and now we can arrange the other charts down below to that. Beautiful. So what is the agenda for that? The agenda is it makes it very simple for anyone who comes for the first time on the dashboard. They can have a quick look on this dashboard directly, what you have done. Okay, so you can do this way. You can go ahead and change the color as well. So select it, or maybe click on this. You can go ahead and change the dashboard theme as well. That is a very, very beautiful option. Okay, so I want to change the dashboard theme into a little darker. Okay, that looking much better, or maybe color blind, what you feel best for you. If there is any custom, your company is following some standard uh, themes, you can go ahead and use those things as well. Okay, but I'm happy with the this darker theme, so I'm okay with this. You want to upload any JSON theme or download any JSON theme which is available given by Microsoft, you can go ahead and apply them here. That's okay. I'm happy with this. It's looking beautiful now. It's looking wonderful in a beautiful way. Okay. So now, what I want from you is you go ahead and practice all this what we have discussed here. Give your focus on that insights option. Try to use it. Now, what will be the next agenda in this coming up part of this module is will pin some more visuals into the dashboard. I'll show you how to pin some more extra visuals onto this existing dashboard now, and then we'll see how to use this NLP feature, the natural language processing feature in the dashboard. That is also a very, very helpful feature given by Microsoft. And apart from that, some other points about the dashboard. Okay. So go ahead and practice all this, and we'll have a next part. We'll finish up this part, and then we'll slowly move forward from some other points onto Power BI services. Okay. So thank you, and if any questions, definitely post your questions, and we'll reply to that. Thanks a lot.